Well, hey there guys and girls. Just going to do a cold start on Talon today. I think it's the 23rd today, 23rd of the 1st, 2015. And as you can see, it's pretty cold. It's below freezing, about -2. Door locks work, they never fail. Wow, that is cold. Well, let's see how this runs. It's pretty damn chilly in here. Let's step into the freezer. Knock it out of gear. Foot on the clutch so it's not going to spin the gearbox around. Let's see how it goes. Take your foot off the clutch and the engine revs die. That, my friends, that is fuel injection. No messing. That's how you do it. Currently waiting on another person coming around today with another Fiat Panda. We're going to play around with dashboards and, well, lighting. We should be around any minute, really. There's some oil dripping underneath there. Not dripping, but it's, what do you call it? Cold. I can spell cold, me. So cold. Sounds like it's time to warm up already. Yeah. Pretty good stuff, that. I need to get some weatherproofing around my light connectors, as you can see. They're a bit open to the elements there. I need to, put some Vaseline or some grease in them and just put some tape around them or something, I don't know. Let's sit in the car actually. I'm going to sit in the car and defrost the windows in case I have to use it later on today. Alright, basic controls, heat mode, and then you got 2 fan speeds, slow and fast. That's all you got. But I was a bit naughty and I installed a little pulse width modulator, which varies your fan speed infinitely. Very nice. Yeah, today what we're doing is when the guy comes around off the Fiat Forum, we'll be playing around with light levels. Basically, I'm installing one of these into his car so that he can do all this kind of stuff. Oh yeah. All the colours of the rainbow in there, look. Slow that down a bit. Pretty sweet, huh? And all the switches do it too. Nothing like a bit of show off. Stick it back to green, lowest setting. That way the MOT guy never knows. Right, it really is a bit cold, isn't it, eh? Put a few revs on. Alright guys and girls, that should do it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.